Hey everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a 3D sphere using MicroSurvey's MSCAD. To do this, I just go to the Draw 3D tab up top, and then I click on Sphere. Then I just set the center of my sphere, and I can give it coordinates, or I can click anywhere on the drawing, and then I can either type or drag a radius for the sphere. Then what I have to do is set the longitudinal and latitudinal divisions. I'm just going to set my longitudinal to 32, make it look a bit more round. I'll leave my latitudinal at 16. And now you can see if I click and drag around in 3D, I got my sphere here. It's nice and round. That's all for today. If you have any idea what you'd like to see next, leave it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful in any way, give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you'd like to see the stuff we have coming down the pipe, subscribe to our channel to get notified about that as well. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.